about to try the two new desserts, the custard pie and the apple pie McFlurry. There's some special going on, I don't know. Let's go in the let's go in the drive-thru, come back here and try it.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Yeah, how can I get a new custard pie?
Just a custard pie?
Yeah, and we'll get the McFlurry with the apple pie as well, please.
Not a problem. Anything else for sir?
That's all, thank you.
Just drive through, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks. There we go. Alright, let's go park.
Alright, you guys, you can have the McFlurry first.
I'll hold it for you. You want to try it, or you want me to try it?
I want you to try.
So this is the McFlurry. I don't know if you guys can see. So it's got the apple pie McFlurry. So all it is just ice cream, and they actually blend or cut up the apple pie and just put it in the McFlurry. So we'll get a taste of that. Really good. Really nice. Very cinnamony.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so...
You want to try that?
I'll try the custard pie first and then we can swap. Alright guys, so we got the custard pie. They put the custard in the pie. Feels pretty hot as well. Scorching feeling is hot, as you can see here. It says.
Hots. Oh! You got saliva all over you. Alright, go. Tell them.
That's good. The feeling tastes normal. The pie.
When you point it, you got to point it at them so they can actually see it. See?
Yeah.
So if you point it like that, I can't see it.
That's disgusting.
That is disgusting. You spat all over it, man.
Well, I like it. It tastes pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright, my turn to try that.
Alright, let me try one more time before you put your disgusting spit all over it. Alright.
Let's swap. Because
I'm not having this.
broccoli.
Saliva all over it. No way.
Guys, well, Daddy was right. It's a bit cinnamony, but it tastes really good. The feeling.
Can you refer to me as Loco Chef, please?
Loco Chef.
Yes, son.
Okay.
That's a big piece. You gonna eat that?
Yeah, I'm trying it.
Alright, go. Oh, you missed the mouth again. Alright, finish it up. Alright. I guess that's it. So, okay, we'll talk about it. I really like this one. I really like that. You like that?
No.
What do I want to get? 4?
Yeah, 4.
4 Loco stars. And then, what do we got? This one. I can't taste it because it's still wet from your saliva. Alright? So it's now a soggy pie.
Now, and to review the ratings,
Yeah.
I'll give it a 5. It tastes really good.
You're going to give this a 5?
Yeah.
And I can't taste it?
Yeah.
That's just insane. You're insane, man.
Sorry.
Alright, thanks guys.